Reed, what's going on here?
So we are like 2 years in, as you're well aware, and we need to finish the shower. And we do have, as we showed in another video, the plumbing and stuff up there. But we still need to put GFCI outlets in the bottom, and we actually have a Bed Bath and Beyond material, an actual shower wall waterproof material. It's probably about 1/4 inch thick and kind of looks like white marbly rock sheet rock, well, not sheet rock, but you know what I mean. It's like a stone type of wall. We're going to put that there, waterproof it, and then build out the foundation for the bed in a kind of removable situation so we don't have this weird beam going across here. But in order to clean up the whole bathroom, we're taking off our little shower curtain tube, which was just stuck there on some double-sided tape, but we would like to put in these cedar boards, and we're gonna finally finish the roof so it'll look nicer, and then it'll actually be wood on top so we can screw in some features in the top to hang our shower appropriately. Yeah, it'll look nice, and hopefully we'll have a shower in the next week or month or so.
Well, we'll check back in. Got the first 2 boards up already, it's looking like, and then yeah, the idea just kind of slot those over the whole roof and then do the same thing in the front, right?
Yep, that's the plan.
Sweet.
One step at a
Check
time.
back in a bit.
Yep.
Reed, what are you doing out there?
We are cutting a massive hole in the side of our bedroom / bathroom so that we can make our shower and actually have a vent coming out the side, so when we shower it doesn't soak our bed before we go to sleep or something like that. So Kay found a side vent that will work in bathrooms and wet environments, and it happens to be 8.5 inches in diameter, and we just put a massive hole in the side of Bessie, and hopefully we can mount it and finish the shower today. It only took 2 years before we got a shower.
That's pretty neat.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, well, I'll take you on a tour of what we've done inside so far while Reed gets down from outside. So this is our shower corner. Looks a little less like a shower right now, so we actually stripped out everything that was here. Our pipes are kind of through this hole back here, all covered up. But essentially what we're doing, we're getting this all ready to really fully be a shower. So we finished, putting the cedar boards up top on the roof here. They look really amazing. And we are putting up new side panels, and we're going to have our bucket back down here, but also gonna add a little kind of shelf cabinet area down underneath. So right now it's just kind of a mess. Currently working on rewiring some electric for a switch over here. So we just teed off of our existing outlet down here, which will be isolated as well as being GFCI protected. But we are putting in a new switch here for the fan. The wiring's gonna go up in here through this hole where Reed's been working. Fan sitting in here. That was a mistake. We thought the fan was gonna go over there. No, it's going over here. But we are going to cover that with the panels. It doesn't really matter. And we will just keep you up to date as this project is going on.
All right, here we are, and we have finally finished the fan that we had in that last update. Kay worked on that yesterday. We put 8.5 inch hole in the wall. We missed with that hole over there because there were metal beams in there that we did not see coming, so we had to shift over there. But we'll just cover it with the shower board and it'll look great at the end. But the fan is currently running to get ahead of what our next and final step is of alcohol wipe on the back of these boards and custom cut to fit around the fan and the plumbing and the shower
And a
basin and a cat. Well,
Hi, little one.
So
Yeah, so we're pretty much ready to go here. We have our backboard that is screwed onto the wall, and we made a little shower storage area bench, which you'll see we're gonna cover in the whiteboard. And yeah, you guys can just kind of watch the process happen. Alright guys, so it's been a pretty big, like 4 days trying to get this shower done, but here is the finished product. So I mean it's almost finished. We're still going to be adding a little shower shelf over here, and finishing up in this front area, putting kind of a board in front to seal off this little cabinet and the electric outlet over there. But as of now, this should be fully functional. So one of our favorite features we've added so far is these amazing camp lights, which I actually found at a tiny home show, which we will link to below this video. But they're waterproof, so we can actually have them in the shower, and we're going to be cutting a hole to kind of feed them through to the outlet without having that exposed. But they look really awesome. It creates some really cool light in here when you're showering. And yeah, this is our curtain, which you might remember from an earlier video, but we remounted onto our new wood ceiling. And this curtain pulls all the way around and makes kind of a funnel shape. So the top is a lot wider than the bottom, so that gives us a lot more kind of headspace and room to move around, wash our hair, whatever. Yeah, and then we have our bucket and put in a little mat for the liner. So yeah, this is, I guess I can show you, saw, fully open, and then when this is fully closed, you just have this nice shower curtain with the lights. Everything is totally isolated from the rest of the room. And we have our fan for the moisture, and we are about to give this a try. So we will let you know how this all goes. But first time we've had a shower in here in over 1.5 years, so we're super excited about this.
updates? Okay, close the door. She's good.